Okay, today we're here we're here to review this KFC Korean barbecue, and I got the over the fries, so the loaded fries bowl. And what did I do with those? Here we go. So this one is they both have. This is a digital exclusive, so you have to have the app to get the Korean version. Um, and it's if you get just the bowl, it's $5, but you could get a combo with just a drink for $6 something. So let's see. Let me try just one of the. Oh, sporks are not all that good at spearing things. One with just the sauce on it. Chicken's very moist. Sauce is yeah, similar to teriyaki, maybe a little more got a slight kick to it, but it's sweet. Okay, there's also fries, pickles, cheese. This looks like coleslaw. Yeah. Okay, how am I gonna get a bite with everything? Okay, here's a fry with coleslaw. There's your chicken. It's gonna fall apart. So yeah, it tastes pretty good together. I wasn't sure uh why they would put like coleslaw and pickles on a Korean thing, but it just tastes good together. Pickles are a little unusual, but yeah, the chicken's really good. But if you want to try this Korean one, you're gonna have to get the app and order it through there. So, anyways, I'm gonna give this one an A. It's got a good taste. That kick is building a little, but it's not really hot. So, anyways, please remember to like, comment, subscribe, and click on the notification bell, and click on all so you get notified every time I upload a new video. So I'm gonna take another bite. I'll see you in the next one.